Today we're gonna go through how to get a stretch resolution in Fortnite, which will make your FPS skyrocket, and then your aim is gonna be way bigger at the targets. So let's go. So what we're gonna start by doing is type in run here at the search bar. And once you've done that, you're gonna write local app data. And there we go. Write that, click OK, and then this should come up. So you can see all of the games here and stuff that I've got. We're gonna scroll down to Fortnite. I'm gonna click on Fortnite, saved, and then config. And then you can see it says window client here. I'm gonna double press on that. Here you can see gamer use settings. We're gonna right click on that and then go all the way down to properties over here. And what you need to make sure is that the read on is not clicked on. We'll press OK, and then we're gonna right click on that again, edit, and then we can see this massive barcode. And then once we're here, we're gonna scroll down until we can find this resolution size, all of these four right here, and then go down and you can see 4 of these bars down here as well. And as you can see, my resolution is 1920 by 1080, and what you want to do is change one of these. So I'm gonna change all of these with 1920 to, for example, 1440 instead. And I'm gonna copy this and change the other ones also. And then once you've done this, it should work. And what you need to do before you exit, you need to click on file and then save. And now you can exit this. And before you exit all of this, you need to right click the gamer use settings again, go down to the bottom where you can see the properties, and here you need to make sure that the read only button is pressed. And once you've done that, you click apply. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.